Look at him, what is he? Big as my finger. I don't think he likes me picking him up. You can see that he's long as he's a big old long thing. Look, the back of him is gone. Something that ate the back half of him. I just now noticed that. Look. You see that? That's what's wrong with him. Something eating that back half of him now. He's dying. I didn't know that. Well, I hate to see you die, buddy. Did he just die? You can see the back half of him is gone. No, he's still moving. You can see the back half of him gone. Now, I'm going to turn you back over. Right now, he's in a bad shape right now. I don't know what happened to him. His back end's gone though. Something ate his back end though. Well, he's pretty. I like him. Okay, I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to put him in his grave. Okay, bye. Stop. I said stop.